Good morning, grade 2. How are you? I'm Miss Esraa. I miss you all. Today we have Connected Plus, second term. So let's start. Today we have the first unit in second term, Unit 7. Where is it from? Where is it from? So please open your student books. Page 3, Exercise 1. Look, listen, and read. So first, what can you see in this picture? Actually, we have two pictures. The first one with Hannah and Amira. Where are they? Yes, they are on the farm. We have here some animals like cows, horses, a goat, and a sheep. In the second picture, we have Hannah and her grandmother. They are at home now. Hannah told her grandmother about what they did yesterday and where they went. So let's listen. We went on a school trip yesterday. Did you go to a museum? No, we didn't. We went to a farm to learn about animals. That sounds fun. Yes, it was. We saw horses, sheep, cows, and ducks. It was very interesting. So again, Hannah told her grandmother that they went on a school trip. رحلة تبع المدرسة. They went on a school trip yesterday. So here we talk in the past. We use yesterday. Her grandmother asked, did you go to a museum? She asks with did. It's a past question. We use did. Did you go to a museum? Hannah replies, no, we didn't. We went to a farm to learn about animals. We went. The past of go. Went. We went to a farm. Why? To learn about animals. To know more information about animals. Then her grandmother said, that sounds fun. That sounds great. That sounds good. That looks interesting. Hannah? Yes, it was. We saw the past of see. As we said before, we taught in the past. بنتكلم في الماضي. So we use saw. We saw horses, sheep, cows, and ducks. It was very interesting. It was fun. It was great. It was enjoyable. Let's move to page 4, exercise 1. Look and read. As you see here, we have a farm. We have some kids. They are on the farm. And we have some animals. First, look and read. We went to the farm to see animals. We learned about animals' products. We get lots of things from animals. We get wool and milk from sheep. We get eggs and meat from chickens. We get meat and milk from cows. We get wool, milk, and meat from goats. So again, we have here some kids went to the farm to see animals and to learn about animals and animal products. What do you mean with products? Products mean things we get from animals. الحاجات اللي بنحصل عليها من الحيوانات like milk, meat, eggs and wool. They are products, animal products. So these kids went to the farm to learn about animal products. So which products we can get from chickens? Yes, we get eggs and meat from chickens. What about sheep? Pay attention here. Sheep is singular and plural in the same time. We can't say sheeps, no. We can say a sheep or sheep. So what or which products can we get from sheep? Yes, we get wool and milk from sheep. What about cows? We get meat and milk from cows. The last one, from goats, we get wool, milk, and meat from goats. So we have here an important expression, which is we get from. We get products from the animals. We get products, المنتجات اللي بناخدها من animals. So we get eggs and meat from chickens and so on. Look at exercise 2. Look and write. We have here wool, meat, milk, and cheese. Number 1, what is it? Yes, it's milk. Number 2, meat. 3, cheese. 4, wool. Okay. Look at exercise 3. Ask and answer with a friend. We have here two, a boy and a girl. They are talking to each other. The boy asks, do we get milk from ducks? Do we get milk? Milk is a product here. Do we get milk from ducks? What's your opinion? Yes, it's no. No, we don't. Then the girl asks, do we get wool from sheep? Do we get wool from sheep? The boy, yes, we do. Now let's move to the last page for today. Page 5, exercise 1, read and match. We have here 4 pictures with 4 different places. We have a farm, a library, Alexandria library. We have a beach and a desert. So let's read first. Number 1, we went to the farm to learn about animals. We went, the past of go, so we talk here in the past simple. We went to the farm. Why? Why do you or why do we go to the farm? To learn about animals. Number 2, we went to Alexandria to visit the library. We went to Alexandria to visit the library. 3, we went to the beach to go swimming. We went, the past of go, to the beach to go swimming. So why do we go to the beach? ليه? What's the reason for? Yes, to go swimming. Number 4, we went to the desert to see the ices. So why do we go to the desert? Yes, to see the ices. Now you have to match by your own. Exercise 2, read and complete, use to. We have learn about the world, get fit, keep our house tidy, look after the environment. Number 1. We exercise. Why do we exercise? Why? ليه? Yes, to get fit or to keep fit. Again, to get fit. Number 2, we recycle paper and plastic. Why? Why do we use or why do we recycle paper and plastic? Yes, to look after the environment. 3, we tidy up. To keep our house tidy, to keep it clean. 4, we go to school. Why do we go to school? Yes, to learn about the world. Exercise 3, look at exercise 2, ask and answer. Why do we exercise? We exercise to get fit. To get fit. Exercise 4, think, ask and answer. So, why do we go to the library? Why? Can you think? Yes, we go to the library to read books. To read books. Okay, number 2, why do we cycle to school? Why don't we drive to school, for example? Yes, to look after the environment, to make less pollution. So today, our lesson about this question word, which is why. Why is a WH question, asks about the reason why you do this action. Okay, so why in Arabic means لماذا أو ليه. So number 1, why do we exercise? Why do we exercise? You can answer with to or because. To keep fit or because we want to keep fit. So what's the difference between to and because? Again, to keep fit because we want to keep fit. Yes, to plus clean verb here. So we use to, then a clean verb. To keep, not to keeping or to keeps or to kept. No. To keep fit. But because here we have a sentence. After because we have a whole sentence. Because we want to keep fit. So to وراها clean verb على طول. But because we have a sentence وراها جملة كاملة. Because we want to keep fit. Number 2. Why do we recycle paper and plastic? Why? We have to answer with to or because. Because here we have why asks about the reason. تسأل عن السبب. Why do we recycle? ليه أصلا بنrecycle? So we can answer with to look after our environment, or because we have to look after our environment. And pay attention, to plus clean verb. I can't say to looks or to looking or to looked. No. To plus clean verb. To look after our environment. That if I want to answer with because. لو أنا عاوز بقى أجاوب with because. So I have a sentence. عندي هنا جملة كاملة بعدها. Because we have to look after our environment. Environment. So again, we have why, asks about the reason, and we can answer with to plus clean verb or because with a sentence. Okay, this is the end of our video for today. I want you to answer the questions in your activity books and see you next video. Bye.